How to cure a cough instantly. A cough is one of the most common health issues. When there is a blockage or irritating in the throat or upper airway, the brain thinks that an external element exists and asks your body to cough to clear that element. A cough can also be due to a viral infection, common cold, flu, and smoking or health problems such as asthma, tuberculosis, and lung cancer. Turmeric. Turmeric grass has a healing effect on cough, mainly on the dry cough. Heat half a cup of water in a boiling pot. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of black pepper. You can also add cinnamon. Boil this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add a tablespoon of honey. Drink this every day until a cough gone. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most common natural remedies for a cough. Cut the fresh ginger into slices and flatten slightly. Put them in a cup of water and bring to a boil. Take this solution to 3 to 4 times a day for relaxing of a sore throat, coughing non-stop, and even congestion. Lemon. Lemon can be used in multiple ways to cure a cough. Lemon has such properties that reduce irritation and provide a fighting power against infection. A simple cough syrup can be made by combining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and a tablespoon of honey. Take this mixture several times a day. Onion. One of the useful home remedies for a cough is to cut onions. Inhaling strong fumes can help stop coughing. Baked onion juice can also provide relief from a cough. Drink daily for relief of a dry cough. Another option is to combine half a teaspoon of onion juice with 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Drink this solution at least twice a day to relieve a cough and soothe the throat. Warm milk with honey. Hot milk with honey can soothe a dry cough and reduce chest pain you may be suffering constant cough. For the best results, drink it before bedtime. To get benefits from the analgesic properties of honey, take a teaspoon of plain honey on an empty stomach. This will help clear mucus and soothe the throat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Live Healthy Life.